Hello civil and structural engineers, and especially if you are in pre-final year or final year and little bit confused that what next. After B.Tech, shall I join M.Tech? Will that solve my problem? After B.Tech, how to get into the job market? Or if your long-term plan is to start entrepreneurship journey or start your freelancing career, or if you're wishing to go abroad, if you want a job in UAE, US, UK or whichever other country, then if you're wondering how to make this happen, then we are coming up with one-to-one counselings, and this will happen on Zoom. If you are confused about your career, if you would like to get your CV or resume analyzed from us, that what impression it is giving. If you're going to give your CV in a particular company, then by looking at your CV, what is the impression that you're building? And if you would like to book a mock interview in order to get assessment done to achieve a particular goal that I just spoke. So whatever may be your goal, whether you want a job in India, job abroad, or if you want to start your entrepreneurship journey, you want to get collaboration with us, or if you have any career goal in the civil industry and wondering who can solve your doubts, then you can count on Econstruct team. We will book your meeting directly with our technical team, and you even get opportunity to meet our founder Mr. Sandeep in a Zoom meeting, or you can book a offline meeting, walk into our Bangalore office with your CV and resume, book your mock interview wherein we'll give you one-to-one feedback. And we will give you a step-by-step plan to build your career. If you would like to get coached from our industry experts, then book your Zoom meeting today, walk into our Bangalore office directly, or just simply call us or WhatsApp us on the numbers given on the screen. Thank you very much.